So I think one of the best things about NextGear is how they have given us the platform to change lives. It's not just software, it literally is a life changer. My family wouldn't have and wouldn't be what it is today without a software that helped us take our business to the next level. I mean, as an owner and having the management software that we can take a vacation that I couldn't do before. I could monitor the job from my vacation utilizing my phone or my iPad. And again, to be able to manage more. You know, back earlier in the interview, I was talking about I could only manage so much with paper and pencil. Going digital and having what NextGear provides, so tied with Luxor for our sales. I mean, both of those make it very easy for me to manage my business when I'm hours or continents away from my business. I could just take a peek at it either on either dashboard and see what's going on. If somebody's slacking, call back home, make corrections. But it's really changed my family's life. We can be more on the go. We have more finances because we were able to grow our company. But I think it's a must. When you make the move to Dash or NextGear, you have to fully jump in and evolve. If you don't do it, you're not going to succeed. That's probably the biggest thing that I could tell you is jump in, learn everything that you can, because it's your business. And you're going to be able to have good data to make decisions on if you need to change things up, if you have employees that are doing what they need to do. It's going to tell you everything that you need. That's probably the most important thing to me is how it has helped change my family internally with my wife and my daughter.